In this video, let me show you how you can connect your Bose soundbar to your iPhone or Android smartphone to be able to hear the audio coming out of your phone directly on your soundbar. So step number one is to take the remote control and we're going to press the Bluetooth button over here while pointing at the soundbar. You need to take a look at the blue light over here. Maybe yours is on the other side. This light should be blinking blue, signifying that it's now in pairing mode. If you see that this blue light is not blinking blue, it means that the soundbar is connected to another device and you have to disconnect from the other device first before pairing a new one. If you want to reset the Bluetooth on most Bose soundbars, you'll have to keep press this Bluetooth button while pointing to the soundbar during 10 seconds. Keep it pressed 10 seconds and it will reset it. Okay, so now I'll show you on an iPhone. Go into the Bluetooth settings, drag down from the top right corner. You're going to see the Bluetooth icon right over here. Keep press on it. Keep press on it again. And you're going to see Bluetooth settings. Then go all the way down in this list. And your Bose will appear here. Tap on it. And it's now connected. You even may hear a small bleep, a small chime coming out of your soundbar telling you it's connected. Here you go, connected. Open any apps, YouTube, YouTube Music, Spotify, whatever you want to use, and it should work. You won't need to use the Bose remote control to control the volume anymore. The volume can be controlled using your phone volume buttons instead. When you want to use the speakers of your phone instead of this soundbar, when you're done using your soundbar, well, you can turn it off. That's one thing you can do. Or you can go back into the Bluetooth settings. I'll tap the small eye icon beside the Bose TV speaker and I'll select disconnect. If you want to completely delete the soundbar from your phone, you're going to select forget this device instead and it will be completely erased. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.